Hello guys, I am Shazad Ahmad and welcome in lecture number 25. Today we are going to test either your PayPal payment is working or PayPal account is working or not. So how can you do that? How can you test that you are receiving the PayPal account? So first of all, go to your WooCommerce settings, payments, and now manage your PayPal account. So as you can see, you have your enable PayPal sandbox account. So you have to enable this checkbox to check either your PayPal account is working or not. So how can you do that? Check this, save changes. First of all, now go to your sandbox. So as you can see, you have PayPal sandbox. Go to your Google, type PayPal sandbox. So you have your first result. Hit this button or hit this link. So log in with your account. So I have my account, and now log in with, provide your credentials and log in now. So now as you can see, you have your sandbox account. Under your sandbox you have your accounts section and create your account. So I'm going to create the account. So as you can see, you can choose your country and personal or business account, and here I'm saying WooCommerce at Shakesy.com. Make sure this is the dummy email address. You can provide your email address here. Provide the password. I'm saying the WooCommerce 123 and $sign. So this is the password. First name, last name is optional. For suppose I'm saying Shazad Ahmad, and the amount is I have 1,500 in my this account, this email address. Okay, so now select your credit card, Visa, Master, Discover, American Express. So note is okay, fine. WooCommerce is already exist. For suppose I'm saying WooCommerce, not WooCommerce. I'm saying that my WooCommerce. It's saying my WooCommerce at Shakesy.com. You can also write, for suppose, test at Shakesy.com and whatever you want to add, because I have already I have already created some sandbox email. So as you can see, I have already, okay, check, because I have created the email address. So go to your, now provide your, for suppose, my WooCommerce at Shakesy.com. Password is my WooCommerce 123 and $sign. Email, first name, last name is required. 1,500 in my account. PayPal, provide your credit card, create your account. So you have created your account, my WooCommerce. As you can see, my WooCommerce at Shakesy.com. So what you need, just need to test either it's working or not. Go to your shop section, product, add to cart. I have already added in my cart. Check out. So as you can see, I have already filled all the fields. So select your PayPal account, proceed to PayPal. Okay, so as you can see, now log in with your account which we have created in our sandbox. So in this time, my WooCommerce at Shakesy.com. So this is my WooCommerce at Shakesy.com. So password is my WooCommerce 123 and log in with your account. So just a second, you have now going to log in with your account which we have just created in our sandbox. So agree terms and conditions, wait for a few seconds. So in this time they are saying ship to Shahzad Ahmad, one main, because I have provided this address. So pay now. So as you can see, $420. So this is your checkout. Okay, I'm saying pay now. I'm going to pay from my account, which we have just created in our sandbox. So as you can see, you have paid $402 US to this email address. This is my official email address, and this is original and real PayPal account. So we have just, so this is your receipt number, this is your, we will send information, WooCommerce@shexy.com, and merchant is Shexy171@hotmail@gmail.com. So we have successfully tested that PayPal is working fine in our store. So I think this is enough for today, and in this way you can test your PayPal account by using the sandbox. So thank you for watching.